Dazzling Blue Lagoon Mocktail Recipe. Affiliate disclosure. Every purchase made through our affiliate links earns us a prorated commission without any additional cost to you. What if you could make a drink that was quick to make, and refreshing at the same time? This impressive mocktail uses only 3 ingredients and is sure to impress. You will love its dazzling blue hue and delicious citrus flavor. Blue curacao syrup, a lemon-lime soda, such as Sprite, and lemon juice, are the only 3 ingredients needed for this drink. Despite being very sweet, it has a mild orange flavor that complements other ingredients. It is traditional to use a highball glass for a Blue Lagoon, but many people prefer hurricane glasses or martini glasses. Wait until just before serving to mix up the drink after rimming the glasses and squeezing the lemon juice. It's important to keep the carbonation of Sprite. If you want to make this into a slushie, make it completely ahead of time and pour it into a lidded glass container. Freeze for 4 to 6 hours, stirring halfway through. Break up any clumps before serving. How to make Blue Lagoon Mocktail. Prep time, 5 minutes. Servings, 1 drink. Ingredients for Dazzling Blue Lagoon Mocktail Recipe. 1/4 cup blue curacao syrup, link in description. 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. 12 fluid ounces, 360 milliliters Sprite. Lemon slice, for garnish. Ice, optional. Instructions for Dazzling Blue Lagoon Mocktail Recipe. Using a citrus reamer, squeeze out the juice from a fresh lemon. Depending on your preference, add 2 or 3 ice cubes to the 15-ounce highball glass. To make the drink, add the lemon juice and blue curacao syrup into the glass. Add the Sprite slowly to the rest of the glass and stir gently to combine. As a garnish, place a lemon slice on top of the drink and a paper straw. Pro tips for Dazzling Blue Lagoon Mocktail Recipe. The glasses should be rimmed by dipping them in water and then sugar. To reduce the need for ice, chill Sprite and blue curacao syrup. The drink can be turned into a slushie by freezing it in a freezer-friendly container for 4 to 6 hours. If there are any clumps, break them up with a fork before serving. Change up the garnish by using an orange slice or sprig of mint. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you liked this recipe.